Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme C33 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages we've got on English. So let's tap on enter language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available ones from which we can choose. So basically find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick this one. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list, but the English language is still a main one. So all we have to do is to simply tap on this Italiano, in my case, Italian language. Tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position, as on the first position is always the default language. And as you can see, within a second, actually, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it, and simply drag it. And as you can see, again, it has been changed. If you want to remove the languages from this list, of course you can do it. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now you can simply tap on this language you would like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon, confirm, and we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your Realme C33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.